What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. It's your boy Simply Soph, and welcome back to another vlog, another weekly vlog where I show you guys the behind the scenes of my life as I try to go from where I was in the beginning when I dropped out of college to where I'm trying to go in business and real estate and marketing. Today we're at one of our properties, and it's loud in the background, you guys can hear. We're cutting down some trees. So on this Monday morning, we're cutting down some trees, as you can see. This tree over here is being cut down. There was one back there that's already gone. I'm gonna show you guys some drone shots so you guys can see some of this. But yeah, we're starting off this week strong, and stay tuned for more.
Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la. I just wanna make the moolah la. Go home all screaming ooh la la, yeah.
Look, if anybody said real estate was passive, they've never really owned it. There's always problems in here. Just got a new HVAC unit put in here, and then we show up to this. It's got to be a leak in the pan, or a condensate line, or a water line, or something's dripping slowly.
Today's Run Club Tuesday. Wasn't gonna show up, but I decided, whatever, let me just come. I've been off of my rhythm. I've worked out every single day, twice a day, whatever it is, but the diet wasn't great. But I was like, let me just show up and do what I'm supposed to do. So I think I'm gonna go for the 5K. We'll see how we feel, but let's get it.
Shorty said she coming with her brethren, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la.
Mission accomplished. We did it. W run. Everybody's coming in right now. Here's our time. I haven't checked it yet, but apparently we did pretty good. I think it felt good. We ran the 5K, so next week we'll go for faster time.
Yeah. Had a couple guys try to hold me down, but
All right, I'm here at Mount Trashmore. It's probably windy, but I was like, this time, what if I make my outdoor walk some soccer? So putting on my cleats for the first time in years. It's probably been like 2 years since I put on these cleats, but I was like, let me come juggle the ball, especially with the World Cup coming up. You know, I got to get in the soccer spirit. So let's freaking get it. All right, we got caught in the rain. Let's go home. That was fun. I was only out there for a couple of minutes, but I had fun. I can't even see anything. I don't remember last time I was out playing soccer while it was raining was literally senior high school game. So it's been like over 10 years. All right, yeah, senior year or junior year, I can't remember. Probably senior year. So that's wild. It was fun. I'm gonna start doing that more often. It was good cardio already, and I barely got anything done. So let's go.
Your house on the market in the past, right? Yeah, so we don't really want to bring it on the market right now. Yeah, and the market's not for everybody, right? I mean, if getting your price, listen to this, if getting the most amount of money isn't the most important thing to you, then it might make sense to not sell it on the market. I guess, is selling this house for as much money as possible a priority, or is it more kind of about the convenience at this point?
It's Saturday. I'm in the car, obviously. I'm heading to Newport News to go look at a property. I got a lead that came in this week for somebody who wants to sell. So I'm gonna go over there and present to him his options. It's loud. Let me close the windows. Yeah, so I'm gonna head over there, present him his options, try to see if we can help him. I think his goal is to move to Ohio. So I'm gonna show him all the options he has, all the way from fix and flip. Well, I'm not gonna offer him a fix and flip. I'm gonna ask him what he's looking in the net, but I don't believe that a fix and flip cash offer is gonna be what he wants from me, at least. But I'm gonna give him a cash offer from some of my buyers, because I think my offer would just be too low for him. But you never know, so I'm gonna ask him. Then I'm gonna give him some offers from some other buyers, some other options, and then I'm always gonna resort to listing it as well. So coming in there with the goal to just give him all his options, figure out which one works best for him, and then guiding him in the right direction. Service based. So it's cool that I'm trying to just show you guys the process. So I'm gonna try to get as much documented as possible when I'm there, and hope you guys enjoy. And it's on a Saturday morning, right? So we always working on weekends as well. But today, after that, I get to go get a haircut, and then I'm going out to a party tonight, which never usually happens. So I don't know if I'm recording any of that, but yeah, so I get to enjoy myself this weekend. But start off with business, and then I also got to make some calls when I get back. The 100-day minimum calls is never ending. Dope car. It's got a Porsche on a trickle charger. All right. That looks great. Let me grab this bathroom right here. All right, we just got a haircut. W haircut. I look good, man. I need to clean up more often. I'm trying to, like my hair right now, it's too blocky, so I'm gonna have to like wash it and make it messy, because I like when my hair's messy. But yeah, I think we look good. Let's go. Dude, I've been recording this. Oh, crap. I was looking at my thing. It was like 20. Food truck here. We got the main guy here. We got the bros here. Let's go.
Shorty said she coming with her breakfast, cause she saw a young nigga pull up in the Rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah la, yeah, the moolah la.